Imagine you're pouring water into a bucket, but this bucket has a giant hole at the bottom. No matter how much water you pour in, the bucket never fills up. That bucket? That's your bank account right now. And today, I'm going to show you how to plug that hole with a second bucket. Here's what most people do with their money. Paycheck comes in, bills go out, groceries go out, Netflix, gym, that random Amazon order at 2 a.m. It all goes out from the same account. And at the end of the month, you look at your balance and think, where did it all go? You earned $4,000, you spent $4,000, and you have nothing to show for it. This isn't a spending problem. This is a system problem. You don't need more discipline. You need a better setup. Here's what rich people figured out a long time ago. They don't use one bank account. They use two. Account number one, the bills account. This is where life happens. Rent, groceries, electricity, gas, subscriptions, everything you need to survive. Account number two, the wealth builder. This is where your future lives. Savings, investments, emergency fund, money that grows. Two accounts, two purposes. One makes you survive, the other makes you rich. Now the question is, how much goes where? And this is where most people mess up. They say, I'll save whatever's left. But here's the truth. There's never anything left. Your spending expands to fill whatever's available. It's called Parkinson's law. Your money disappears because it can disappear. So here's the rule, the 50% rule. Half your income goes to the bills account. The other half goes straight to the wealth builder, before you touch it, before you even see it. But Ben, 50% is too much. I hear you. Start with 20%. Start with 10%. The number doesn't matter as much as the system. What matters is money hits your account and it automatically splits. No decisions, no willpower needed. And here's where it gets interesting. Because the bills account, it has a secret superpower that most people never use. When all your bills come from one dedicated account, you can see exactly how much your life costs. Not a guess, not a feeling, an exact number. Let's say your bills account gets $2,000 per month. Rent, $1,100. Groceries, $350. Utilities, $150. Subscriptions, $100. Gas, $200. That's $1,900. You have $100 left over. Now you know something powerful. Your life costs $1,900 a month. That's your survival number. And once you know your survival number, you can start attacking it. Do I really need 6 subscriptions? Can I cut groceries to $300? Can I negotiate my rent? You're not blindly cutting expenses. You're making surgical strikes because you can see every single dollar. But here's what happens when people try to attack their expenses without this system. They fall into traps. 3 of them, and I guarantee you've hit at least one. Trap number 1, the I deserve it trap. You had a long week, you're tired, you see your account has $600 left, so you order takeout, buy a new shirt, grab drinks with friends. You tell yourself, I worked hard, I deserve this. And the math technically works. You had the money. But that $600 wasn't extra. It was next week's groceries and gas. You just ate into your future and called it self-care. Trap number 2, the subscription creep. You signed up for Netflix, then Spotify, then that meditation app you used twice, then a gym you haven't visited since February. Each one is only $10 or $15, but stack them up, you're bleeding $150 a month on things you forgot you're paying for. That's $1,800 a year. Invisible spending, the worst kind. Trap number 3, the lifestyle inflation trap. You get a raise, $500 more per month. What do most people do? Upgrade the apartment, lease a nicer car, eat out more. Your income went up $500 and your expenses went up $500. Net gain? 0. You're running faster on the same treadmill. The 2-account system kills all 3 traps because the money is already split. You can't spend what's not in your bills account. The system protects you from yourself. Now the Wealth Builder account. This is where your future self thanks you. This money doesn't get touched for coffee. It doesn't get touched for new shoes. It doesn't get touched because you had a bad day. This money has one job: grow. Step 1, build an emergency fund. 3 months of your survival number. So if your life costs $1,900, you need $5,700 sitting in this account before you do anything else. Step 2, once that's done, this money starts investing. Index funds, ETFs, a Roth IRA, whatever your weapon of choice is, this money goes to work. Now let me show you what this looks like with 2 real people. Meet Jake and Sarah. Both 25, both earn $4,000 a month. Same city, same rent, same job title. Jake uses one bank account. He saves when he feels like it. Some months he puts away $200. Some months nothing. Most months, nothing. By 35, Jake has $8,000 in savings. He had a few emergencies. Car broke down, medical bill, laptop died. Each time he dipped into savings. Back to zero, start over. 10 years of working and $8,000. Sarah uses 2 accounts. $2,000 goes to bills, $2,000 goes to the Wealth Builder. Automatically, every paycheck. She doesn't think about it. When her car broke down, she had an emergency fund. She didn't touch her investments. By 35, Sarah has $112,000. Same salary as Jake, same city, same life, but $104,000 more. By 45, Jake has $22,000. Sarah has $310,000. By 55, Jake is panicking about retirement. Sarah has $566,000, and she's sleeping fine. The difference was never income. It was never luck. It was 2 accounts and an automatic transfer. That's it. But here's the part nobody talks about. The Wealth Builder doesn't just build money, it changes your brain. When you have one account, every purchase feels the same. A $5 coffee and a $500 investment both come from the same place. Your brain can't tell the difference. But when you split your money, something shifts. The bills account becomes spending money. The Wealth Builder becomes untouchable money. Your brain literally creates a wall. Psychologists call this mental accounting, and it's the reason rich people stay rich. They don't have more willpower than you. They have a better system. You versus the average person. Same salary, same city, same job. But you have 2 accounts. They have 1. In 5 years, you have $30,000 saved and invested. They have $400 and a subscription they forgot about. The difference was never income. It was architecture. Here's how you set this up in the next 30 minutes. 1. Open a second bank account. High-yield savings account if possible. Online banks like Ally, Marcus, SoFi, they all work. Takes 10 minutes. 2. Set up automatic transfers. Every paycheck, your money splits. You decide the percentage. 50-50 if you can, 80-20 if you're just starting. The key word is automatic. You don't decide. The system decides. 3. The bills account gets a debit card. The Wealth Builder does not. No card, no easy access. Make it hard to touch. That's it. 3 steps. No spreadsheet, no budgeting app, no guru. Just 2 accounts and an automatic transfer. Now let me be honest with you. Month 1 is going to feel weird. You're going to look at your bills account and think this isn't enough. You're going to feel broke. You're not broke. You're retraining your brain. Your bills account feels small because you used to spend everything. Now you're seeing what your life actually costs versus what you were wasting. Give it 60 days. By month 2, you'll stop noticing. By month 3, you'll check your Wealth Builder and see a number that's never been in your account before. And that feeling? That's the moment everything changes. That's the moment you go from someone who earns money to someone who builds wealth. Most people will watch this video and do nothing. They'll think that's a good idea and go back to their one-account life. And in 5 years, they'll still be wondering where their money goes. But some of you are going to pause this video, open that second account, and start building something real. And in 5 years, you won't believe you ever lived without this system. The bucket has a hole. You now know how to plug it. The question is, will you?